Hello students, come to the VVPS online classes. In my previous two videos, I have completed the explanation of English literature reader poem A Night Rain in Summer. In my today's video, I am going to explain you the question answer and word meaning of the poem A Night Rain in Summer. Now, come to the word meaning. Come to the word meaning. Yes. Glossary. First word is blink. As I have also told you the meaning of blink. Lamp, sordid, unpleasant, not, nothing. Twixt, between. Lullabies, soft soothing songs to put children to sleep. Blessed, old English word for blessed. Okay students, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 word meaning in this poem. So you have to write all this 6 word meaning serial wise. Don't forget to write serial in your notebooks. Okay students, you have to write serially this word meaning in your literature notebook. Now come to the question answer of the poem. Answer the following question. First question is, what does the poet want to enjoy? Why does he want the windows opened? What season is this poem about? Now you have to write the answers of these questions in your literature copy. Okay, now come to the answer. You have to do this work like this as I have done in my notebook. First of all, write the date. Okay, after that write English reader. This is the work of English reader, so you have to mention the English reader in the first line. Clear? After that, name of the topic, name of the lesson, name of the poem, and that is A Night Rain in Summer. Answer the following questions. I am going to repeat the answer. Okay, I have read the question from the book and answer from my notebook. The poet wants to enjoy fresh air. He wants the windows opened so that he can fully embrace the refreshing air and rain. This poem is about summer season. These are the answers of first question. Now come to the second question. Second question is, why does the poet welcome the rain with such strong feelings? Answer is, come to the answer B. Okay, answer B. The poet welcomes the rain with such a strong feelings because it comes after a long summer and it has calming effect on him. Calming effect means soothing effect. After the hot scorching summer, the rains give very soothing effect to each and every person. So as the poet. Now come to the third question. The third question is, why does the poet not want any lamps on? The answer is, the poet does not want any lamps on because the darkness is natural and peaceful. The darkness is natural and peaceful. Now come to the question number D. Question number D. What does the poet compare the sound of the rain to? Answer is, the poet compares the sound of the rain to sharp lullabies. Clear? This is the answer D. Come to the question number E. What are the things the poet will sleep blessed with? The answer is the poet will blessed with soothing darkness, cleansing air and presence of pure rain. Clear? The poet will blessed with soothing darkness, cleansing air and presence of pure rain. Okay, come to the next question. Question F. Find words in the poem which have the same meaning as these. The word is room and second word is nothing. The meaning of room is chamber. Clear? The room, chamber, बुक में चैम्बर है और उसका मीनिंग रूम होता है. नथिंग, नॉट, बुक में नॉट है, द मीनिंग इज नथिंग. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, all these are the answers of the questions of poem A Night Rain in Summer, and you have to write the question and answer clearly as I have done. Okay, don't while writing pay attention to your spellings, not to make any spelling mistake. Clear? Thank you students for this video.